Let's do Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 in-depth review. Hey guys, this is Pete, and you are watching Product Reviews. A tablet running the Android operating system. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is an excellent tablet for your children, or elderly parents. This is a replacement for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 as the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 tablet in 2020. You will like it, I am sure. Especially in silver, the new style is even more striking. Android 12 isn't pre-installed on any devices at this time. Samsung's One UI 3 sits on Android 11 Nougat. The newer Unisoc Tiger T618 chipset powers the Tab A8, and is available in 3GB, or 32GB, and 4GB, or 64GB variants, with up to 1 of extra storage. The 10.5-inch screen is surrounded by 4 speakers. It's one of the best Android tablets under 20,000 rupees on the market. If you're getting an Android tablet for the first time, it's a good thing to have. I have included almost all possible specs in this video, so watch till the end, to make a buying decision. At 17,999 rupees, the Galaxy Tab A8 is a good value for money Android tablet. This alone will make it a popular choice among consumers of all ages, but especially children. Samsung's new tablet, the Tab A8, enables the company to reach out to a wider audience than it has previously been able to. Samsung's One UI overlays on top of Android 11, and includes unique features like the ability to run 2 apps at once, edge panel shortcuts, and so on. Even Samsung's DeX desktop software doesn't work with a stylus, or keyboard cover. Android falls short of iPadOS when it comes to large-screen optimized apps. The 7040 mAh battery has a 9-hour runtime on a single charge. My primary uses for Tab A8 during this time period were to watch movies, browse the web, and read. Using up the entire battery in a single day is tough because this is not a business tablet. On the other hand, the cameras on the Tab A8 are nothing special. This phone has a 1.5 megapixel back camera, and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. For video calls, the 8MP front-facing camera is passable, but it falls well short of professional standards. Since 2020, we've received a steady stream of requests for low-cost tablet ideas. This type of tablet is not meant to replace computers, but rather to function as a content consumption device with a larger screen. Whether you want a second screen for virtual meetings, or a Netflix marathon, these tabs should do the trick. It featured on our list of recommended tablets around Rs 20K when we tested the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 in late 2020. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 succeeds the A7 with a few tweaks. The A8's design immediately caught my eye when I opened the box. Even though it doesn't look all that different from the A7, I much like the A8's angular design to the A7's curvier one. Even in the silver color choice, this is evident. The other colors available are pink gold, and gray. Despite the listed pricing, it appears to be more expensive than it is. Additionally, the design of the camera lens on the rear of the phone contributes to its overall appearance. The Tab A8 is small, and light enough to carry about for long gaming sessions, with a thickness of just 7mm, and a weight of little over 500 grams. The 3mm headphone jack, which is becoming more and more scarce, is another valuable feature. The design of the Tab A8 is similar to that of other inexpensive tablets, which isn't always a bad thing. On the back, there is a circular camera model, and an 8-megapixel front camera that are both in the center of the tablet when used in landscape mode. The tablet includes a 10.5-inch screen with small bezels, and flat corners. The tablet weighs only 509 grams, and has a thickness of about 6 mm, making it easy to tote around in nearly any bag. Gray, silver, and pink gold are all options for the aluminum case of the tablet's enclosure. The tablet is the perfect size for reading an ebook on the Kindle app for hours at a time without getting tired of holding it. The A8 has enough processing power to meet the needs of casual gamers. There were no glitches or stutters when I played Asphalt 9 on my phone. I have provided links to buy this tab in the description box. It will be great if you could purchase from that link, so I will earn a commission, without losing any extra money from your pocket. The Unisoc Tiger T618 chipset powers the Realm C25Y, which is found in smartphones priced under 20,000 rupees. The 3GB, or 32GB configuration, a 4GB, or 64GB variation is also available, was tested for us. Geekbench, multi-core, gave it a score of 1276, which is on par with the A7. Adding more storage space is as simple as inserting a micro SD card, up to 1 TB. On the right-hand side of the tablet, the power button is situated directly above the volume buttons. A fingerprint scanner is not available on the Tab A8 because I'm using it at home, and do not have any sensitive information stored there. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 has a 10.5-inch Waxka, widescreen ultra-extended graphics array, display, 1920 by 1200 pixels. The colors on its DFD display, which is somewhat larger than the A7, are vibrant. Atmos surround sound from quad speakers increases the entertainment value. You should be able to watch the first half of Ozark's 4th season on the 7040 mAh battery without running out of juice. A micro SD card can be used to enhance the storage capacity of the base model, which contains 32 GB. The tablet's rounded corner houses a headphone jack in an on location. A single USB-C port is located on the bottom of the tablet for both charging and data transfer. Both Wi-Fi and 4G LTE devices are available for purchase. It has a 10.5-inch DFD LCD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, which is suited for indoor use, and hence dominates the tablet's front panel. I watched Netflix's Tales of the City on the 10.5-inch screen of the Tab A8, and was impressed by the rich colors. At this price point, it's impossible to anticipate too much. There is no denying that the Tab A8 is a fantastic multimedia consumption gadget. You'll be impressed with the display no matter what you're doing on it. Another aspect that influenced my decision was the Tab A8's quad speaker system. As part of my testing of the Galaxy Tab A8 and iPad Air, I watched Wonder Woman 1984 and The Dark Knight. An enormous amount of noise is produced by the quad speakers. It is true that they can be a little harsh when cranked up to full volume, but they provide a clear and crisp sound that is capable of filling an area. Remember that the Galaxy Tab A8 is more of a leisure gadget than a work tablet. No time soon, this will be able to replace your laptop as your primary computing device of choice. Even while its Unisoc Tiger T618 chipset and 3GB of RAM aren't the fastest on the market, it can nevertheless edit a Google Docs page and run the majority of common apps without any issues. Web browsing, light gaming, video playback, and email checking are all no problem for the Galaxy Tab A8. Once you get past that point, the Galaxy Tab A8's performance takes a dive. There is no doubt in my mind regarding the Galaxy Tab A8's purpose, and who should buy it, says Samsung. When it comes to software, expect a similar user experience to that of a Galaxy phone. If you are seeing this channel for first time, please don't forget to subscribe. The A7's 8-megapixel camera, and 1.5-megapixel front camera make a return in the A8. Instead of a more modern look, Samsung opted for a more powerful processor. In spite of the lack of pre-installed Android 12, Samsung's tablets have a great track record when it comes to upgrades and support. The Tab also has a number of useful features, like split screen mode, which makes multitasking easier. Galaxy Tab A8 by Samsung lives up to its name, and offers outstanding value for money. The Galaxy Tab A8 is an excellent multimedia tablet, but it won't blow you away. The tablet may be used to watch movies, read books, surf the web, and take online lessons. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is an excellent tablet for your children, or elderly parents. Galaxy Tab A8 costs 17,999 rupees, compared to the ordinary iPad's 29,999 rupees, although it has a limited range of applications. However, you can rest assured that you will not be cheated. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.